Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Chewy affiliate account, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your Chewy affiliate account, begin by visiting the Chewy affiliate program website. Look for the Join Now button and click on it. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and preferred password. Make sure to provide accurate information to prevent issues later on. Next, you will be asked to enter details about your website or social media platform. Include the URL of your site or social profile where you plan to promote Chewy products. In the next section, describe your promotional methods. Explain how you intend to drive traffic to your affiliate links. This can include content creation, social media marketing, or email campaigns. After completing this section, read through the terms and conditions. It is important to understand the rules of the affiliate program. Once you have reviewed everything, submit your application. You will receive a confirmation email from Chewy. Check your email for a message to verify your account. Click on the verification link provided in the email. Once verified, log back into your Chewy affiliate account. Now, navigate to the dashboard area to access your affiliate links. Familiarize yourself with the available resources and tools. You can generate unique affiliate links for various Chewy products. Start promoting these links through your preferred channels. Monitoring your performance is crucial, so keep track of your clicks and conversions. Make adjustments to your strategy based on what works best for your audience. By following these steps, you will successfully activate your Chewy affiliate account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.